Okay, today we are going to learn a game. This is Ludo game. I think so everyone know. Chalo start. So we need a paper, tracing paper, because we are use a repetition drawing. So we need a tracing paper. Chalo first thing. Now take a square of 20 centimeter. Okay, mark 20 centimeter. See, after marking 20 centimeter square, now find the center. Okay, after finding the center, see, after finding the center, you are going to mark, keep your 1.5 on the point which you have marked on the center, and then you are going to count 1 2 3 4, means 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, till 3 centimeter we have to mark. You're going to mark on this corner, this one, and then join the line. Please understand that you have to first find the center of the box, point here, and then keep your scale on 1.5 centimeter, and then mark 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, because we want 3 blocks. This one, 1 2 3. So why I had find the center, so this side and this side should be equal. After pointing this, I'm going to mark here 1 centimeter on all the corners. Okay, all the corners I'm going to mark. See, marking this 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If you see that this distance and this distance is equal, why I had starting from the center point. So all this marking I had done. See this. Okay, all the sides. Now join this line till the center. See now. With the help of the pencil only you please do it, because we need, now I'm going to count 6 centimeter here because I want 6 blocks. So I'm going to mark one point here, 6. From the given point which we had already done the points, I'm just going to mark. So till there only I have to take the line down. And then I'm going to, till 6 centimeter only I'm going to centimeter, 6 centimeter. See, 6 centimeter. See, this lines. Okay, from here to here 6 centimeter. All the lines I will do it. See, all lines I had marked now. From here to here 6 centimeter. Now I'm going to mark here 1 centimeter. How many? 1 centimeter. See here. Why? See this. How many blocks are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we need 6 blocks. To mark all the sides. Okay, all the sides. Now join this in this line only in the center. This will be our house where the game is going to end. So this is done. Now for the design, going to use the tracing paper. See children, when you are doing repetition forms, first draw whatever design you want to draw and then copy from that. So if I'm taking one design you decide, you are going to copy the same one. Okay, like this, copy it and now transfer it. Okay, now same way, just after copying, trace it. You can use carbon also if you have, otherwise you just, if you rub it like this, if you rub on the pencil and then do it, you will get the marking. So copy all the same design. See, after drawing, now we are going to mark this one. Okay, this, how many it is? 1 2. So here, from here till here, you are going to mark the entry and exit point, and from here 1 2 3. This is the starting point of your to go inside this. Okay, here for this one. See, this is the house of red, this is yellow, this will be the blue, okay, and this will be green. I think so everyone know the Ludo game. This is your own Ludo game. You can just do whatever drawing you like and complete it. Now how, and now the borders, the colors which you like I had done this way. So complete your picture. This is the border which I had used. See, very easy. You can use whatever you like it. You can use the borders. This way, color your own game and play. Enjoy your craft. Enjoy your drawing.